Hello, and welcome to another update video about MATIC. So MATIC, yeah, strong move up today, like the entire crypto market. I mean, nothing major in crypto, but still a noticeable move to the upside. It did break above micro resistance. So nothing was invalidated, but still I moved the B wave from there to here. I think the B wave might reset. It's not reset yet. It hasn't broken the previous high, but I think it might happen. So I just wanted to make sure that you understand what the next resistance range is. Fibonacci resistance goes all the way up to 53.9 cents, between 52.5 and 53.9. I don't see this at the moment as very reliable. So now with the move up, yeah, that was a little stronger than it should have been in the current scenario. It's always worth letting it settle a little bit, see what happens, because the market is in a very much of a gray area at the moment between a potential trend shift that could bring us back into at least a short-term uptrend, yeah, maybe in which the price will move up in the coming weeks, and a failure of that trend shift. So we are observing that at the moment. There are still numerous options how the price could top here. For example, we could simply get here a higher B wave into resistance all the way up to 53.9 cents. From then it could come down. We could simply see this wave 4 might even unfold as a triangle, yeah? Have you thought about that? That's possible. Wave 4s often unfold as triangles. So that could be an A wave because it was in 3 waves. The B wave down in 3 waves. Now maybe a C wave, then a D wave and an E wave, and we have an Elliott wave triangle and come down then. That's absolutely an option, which is why we want to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down to confirm that a lasting low is in place. At the moment, there are no 5 waves up, right? We only see 3 waves up of the August, what was it? No, September low. Yeah, 3 waves up. I mean, so far this chart has worked out nicely, followed our forecast. Yeah, we made that lower low below the June low, but it since then hasn't really given us any strong indication that a low is in place. So all the movements to the upside were simply corrective. At the moment, I have no reason to believe that the low is already in, and if it is, then it will show that to us, and we can wait for the clear structure to evolve and then get a decent pullback, yeah, for a good entry point. At least then we have some clarity, because this at the moment still has the potential of being a trap. Could just be a so-called bull trap. Yeah, just imagine all the people who've been chasing this move. I mean, MATIC hasn't even moved up that much, right? But there are some coins that moved up quite a bit, and a lot of people will have chased, and then there will be a lot of stops. When those stops are taken out, it can lead to maybe the last capitulation that we need, right? I mean, you know that nothing moves in a straight line. Just look at this chart. It's sort of, there were always these quick ups and downs, okay? So at the moment, yeah, I mean, best I can tell you is that we've got a descending trend line here. That's the most imminent resistance here. A break above it could send us first to 53 cents, and then the next trend line, which basically runs through the resistance area. Only a break above 53.9 cents would make me look at other options. And what could it be? I mean, it could just be maybe a larger wave 4, a larger corrective wave in an ABC. I would need to look at, okay, could it still be a wave 4, or is it maybe something different like a larger B wave? But until, you know, this would also just be a larger 3-wave move. Again, to indicate that something more bullish is in, I mentioned that in previous videos. I want to see the price, first of all, above 56.9 cents, but even more important would be the August high. So really the price needs to break in 5 waves above 63.6 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get a 3-wave pullback, and we've got it. The thing is, then we can confirm a lasting low has been made. The thing is that this move up is a 3-wave move, so it would only work as a diagonal, not an impulse. So again, we can't trust it, which again makes it an unreliable pattern. So it's what sort of happened before, and where we just want to make sure that we don't, let's say, confirm a low too early, yeah, because if we do that, we would be in a situation in which probably many people were here around the 29th of August. There was also a situation where we said, look, we only have 3 waves up. I don't trust it. We don't have 5 waves up. Probably will come down lower, which we did, right? But today is not even comparable with what happened then. So it's just quite weak compared to that anyway. Just wanted to illustrate, look, we can't just, I know and always a few green candles, everybody gets bullish, but yeah, we don't want to do that too early. You can always go long with a stop below the last swing low if you like to, but we just don't have that price action yet that would allow us from an analysis point of view to confirm that the lasting low is in place and the bottoming structure still doesn't look ideal. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.